Hey, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we are going to be drawing a Rubik's Cube, a scrambled one. First, the yellow. So I just want to do something like this. And then you want to do something like this. And then after you did that, ta-da! Now you have a Rubik's Cube. Oh, and it's a Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube. Whoop. See you? Whoop. Again, it's me. And see you? Whoa, this Rubik's Cube looks like a Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you on the next one.